And you notice, right, perhaps not surprisingly based on its formula, it looks a lot like water, right? H2O2 is not that much different than water, it has a little different formula and stuff like that. But like I was saying, it's not very stable. But do you see anything happening right now? Does it look like I'm forming like a bunch of oxygen or anything like that? It's just kind of water, right? Just third water. So what I'm going to do, this is purely for flashy purposes. But I'm going to go ahead and add a little food coloring. Let's go with green. Seems like we have a lot of green going on here. Just so we can kind of see what's going on in here a little bit better. So it's just a little green. Did adding green do anything other than change the color? So it just kind of looks like peroxide, right? And again, when I make this reaction start, I'm going to form a bunch of oxygen, right? And so in order to capture some of these oxygen molecules, I'm going to add a little bit of soap, just so we can get the bubbles again. Soap action. Kind of stir this in here. But again, I mean, it doesn't look like much is going on. Maybe a little soap bubbles. I like that green. Yeah, I wash my hair with it. Yeah. And I'm sure that looked great. So some of you who have had chemistry before, maybe you've heard these reactions, you've probably heard this word before. This reaction's not going right now, but I can add something to it and make it go much more quickly. Catalysts, right? Catalysts. We'll talk a lot more about catalysts. And what I have here is, what is this stuff? Potassium iodide, right? Potassium iodide, Ki. You know Ki. So what's going to happen is the potassium iodide can catalyze this reaction. And it doesn't really matter how much of this I put in here, it's going to catalyze this breakdown. And so what we want to see is, if, do we see any observable change here? Do we see a coloration form? Do we see our oxygen form and whatnot? So we go ahead and add this stuff. So we'll see. Yeah. That's enough. So all of these bubbles, most of these bubbles are full of oxygen, right? Just pure oxygen. And again, I added the soap just so we can kind of see the volume of air that is coming out of this stuff. And the greens just added in. Right, all of this stuff, everything that you just saw, was going to happen anyways, just over a much longer period of time. And by adding this catalyst, all I did was I made it happen all like right now. You can see. Kind of intense, right? There's a lot of, and you can kind of smell. I don't know if you can smell it.
Baby white.
Smell, yeah. It's got kind of a soapy smell, and also has a kind of, I don't know, cleaning sort of powder or smell. But yeah, you can see it's still slowly. Yeah. Well, I mean the peroxide, that sort of disinfecting sort of smell. But it slowed down a lot, right? We just had a slow amount of bubbles coming out. If I, by the way, when I do this for like third graders, there you go. So, before I lit a match, right, with the CO2 stuff, and what happened? I kind of blew it out even when I got close to this stuff, right? But what's in these bubbles? And so what do you think will happen with oxygen? It's going to help this burn faster. A lot of people think that oxygen, we'll talk about this a little more, a lot of people think oxygen is flammable. Yeah. Like those tanks, it's not flammable. You can't light oxygen on fire. Oxygen helps you light things on fire, right? You need oxygen in order for things to burn. Oh, because those can burn real nice with oxygen, extra oxygen around. Yeah. So, if you look at this, you'll notice that it doesn't put it out. It just kind of starts to burn a little bit. what is this gas or what is it coming off
What
of?
is coming out?
So we're going to talk about combustion. It's actually just carbon dioxide and water. Just carbon dioxide and water. Because this is wood, it's mostly made up of normal carbohydrate things, which is carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So it's making more carbon dioxide and water. That's the idea. And every now and again, it looks kind of cool if I can get it to work. These are all the matches. And if you drop this sucker in, sometimes it's cool. So let's see that. So it just kind of burned a nice hole through here and completely burned the match. It's just a big hole. So yeah, so oxygen just helps things burn. It does not burn, right? This whole thing didn't go, right? It just helped my match, which can burn, it just helped it burn faster. So, okay, but here's a good example of a chemical reaction, right? I rearranged the atoms, right? It still have the same number of atoms. I just rearranged how they were connected. So I took some of those hydrogen peroxide, strong oxidizer. Strong oxidizer will bleach your hands, bleach your hair, cleans wounds, whatnot. Turn it into basically just water. Water and a whole bunch of oxygen. So let me clean this up now.